In today's video, I will walk you through how to upgrade to Claude Pro. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. When the results load, look for the official Claude website from Anthropic. Select the correct link to open Claude's homepage. From here, you'll be guided to sign in. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google if you want to use an existing Google account. Alternatively, select the email option if you'd rather sign in with a work or personal email. Make sure you use the account you want connected to your subscription. Once you're signed in and viewing the main Claude interface, go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your user profile, which appears as your initials or your name. This will open a menu with account options. From the menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to the Billing tab. Depending on your screen size, billing may appear along the top or on the left side. In the billing area, click the Upgrade Plan button. You'll now see information about the Pro plan, including what's included and the current pricing. Review the plan details, then continue when you're ready. Next, click Get Pro Plan. This will take you to the checkout process. You'll see a payment form where you can enter your credit or debit card information. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then enter the billing address associated with your card. If your currency or taxes are displayed, review those details before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Subscribe to finalize the upgrade. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation that your plan is active. Your account should then reflect the Pro plan and its features. You may also receive a receipt by email. If the Pro plan doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page and check your account again. Once the upgrade is confirmed, you can return to the Billing tab whenever you need to review or manage your subscription. That's it. You've successfully upgraded to Claude Pro. Thank you for watching.